When it comes to style, I'm a little shy.
Even if he wears just a simple black t-shirt and jeans or a white shirt and jeans, the way he wears it is just so sexy and so cool that it's extremely stylish.
तभी तो 2007 में वो बने MTV Maha Style Icon.
The Badshah of Bollywood, the King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan.
Well, thank you so much, MTV.
I think he's a style icon by default, and I think he himself knows it, and he's not apologetic about it.
Shah Rukh says he isn't too much into brands per se. He wears what he's asked to wear, which of course could mean the world. All thanks to friend, director, and also personal stylist Karan Johar.
I've shopped a lot. In fact, I think more than myself, I think I've shopped for Shah Rukh.
Brands की बात करें तो there are the Armani suits, दाम 1.5 लाख, Cesare Paciotti shoes 1.5 से 2 लाख, और Louis Vuitton luggage cost 2.5 lakh से ज्यादा. लेकिन सबसे फेवरेट Versace jeans costing around 90,000 rupees a pair.
He's not a brand slave, but he definitely appreciates the finer aspects of certain brands.
जब आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग SRK के जितनी हो तो शान से घूमना फिरना तो है ही. And SRK has a fetish for the best. BMWs, baby. बादशाह स्टाइल में घूमते हैं उनकी स्पेशल आर्मर्ड बुलेटप्रूफ BMW 7 सीरीज में, worth a whopping 1.25 crores. शाहरुख is the बादशाह of romance in real and real life. वाइफ गौरी को अपनी इवनिंग ड्राइव्स के लिए शाहरुख ने गिफ्ट की एक BMW 6 सीरीज कन्वर्टेबल कूपे. दाम कुछ 80 lakhs. और लकी डॉट्स आर्यन और सुहाना को बिग डैडी ओ ने गिफ्ट की एक ब्रांड न्यू ऑडी A6. कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट बेबी कुछ 38 lakhs, which is really pocket change for the Badshah.
I guess Mannat is sort of the fantasy star home,
It stands apart, it stands tall, and it stands proud, and that's largely because of Shah Rukh's every endeavor to make sure his house is a dream mansion.
Mannat, the place, palace where the King Khan lives. मुंबई के elite Bandra area में जहाँ काफी stars रहते हैं, खान खानदान का आलीशान palatial 23,400 square feet sea-facing bungalow. और अगर SRK की adjoining 6-story बिल्डिंग को इंक्लूड करें तो आज इस प्रॉपर्टी की कीमत 130 करोड़ से नीचे तो हो ही नहीं सकती.
Let's just say his house is completely technologically bound and technologically sound.
तभी तो मन्नत में इंस्टॉल्ड है एक बायोमेट्रिक हैंडप्रिंट सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम कॉस्टिंग ओवर 2.5 crores.
I think it's the best house that I've seen so far.
अगर मुंबई में है SRK की मन्नत तो दुबई में है उनकी जन्नत. क्योंकि सुना है किंग खान ने दुबई में एक विला खरीदा है. दाम ओवर ₹75 crores. कहाँ? The 8th wonder of the world, man-made island city Palm Jumeirah में, which by the way can even be seen from the moon. पड़ोसी होंगे the Beckhams, Tomcat, the Clintons and Brangelina, who we hear are still on the waiting list. And guess what? Shah Rukh has just turned property developer with the Shah Rukh Khan Boulevard. दुबई के रस अल खैमा पे जिसका टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट है 10,500 करोड़. इतना ही नहीं, प्रॉपर्टीज डिजाइन करेंगे खुद SRK. चेक्स तैयार रखिए भाई. These will sell like hotcakes.
I think he's the package of what you call the future of India in a certain sense.
Shah Rukh once said, you can love me, you can hate me, but you can't ignore me. You got that right, baby. The man has it all. Naam, Shahrat aur maal. Kitna? A designer wardrobe worth over at least 5 crores. Cars worth another 10 crores. Properties worth over 500 crores. All thanks to his films, his endorsements, the Night Riders and Red Chillies, making SRK's net worth today well over 1,500 crore rupees. Add to that an orchid named after him in Singapore, wax statues at Madame Tussauds and Paris's Grevy museums, plus the highest French honor possible, the Legion of Honor, and of course the recent Datukship of Malaysia. And that's the king-size, fabulous life of Shah Rukh Khan.